Hey guys, so welcome back to another tutorial video. For now, I created this this flyer. So the first thing is of course um, creating your background. It's more like a breakdown tutorial. So you creating your background and the elements you want to use and all that. So let me just jump right into it. So I wanted to design a Thanksgiving service. So I was thinking, okay, what elements can I use? Maybe a drum, a trumpet, tambourine, and I mean these are like placeholder elements, placeholder images I can use to depict what I'm trying to achieve basically. So the first thing is the background. So you can see, so this is the background. Then this is I already converted it to a smart object. Then let me just double click on it. Then I could have so I downloaded this image. Then I added some smooth, some color balance, hue and saturation. So I just want to show you how I achieve this. Yeah. Then moving forward. So I also added um some you could see something here. Then some light thing particles at the background just to depict this excitement, vibrancy in the background. Then to the image here. So this is the image. So I saw this image of Pinterest and I think that it could give me something that I'm looking for. This is the original image here. So this is the original um, image here. Then so I think so when I saw it I was like okay I think this will actually do the job here. Then I remove the background. Maybe in my next tutorial I'll do some image how to remove um, image from the background, right? But this is quite easy. So then I change the perspective a little bit. Then also the stick, the stick is also attached to it. Then I also remove the stick here because the stick is also standing on its own here because of the text basically. So this is the drum here. This is the I added some also color balance to it, just to have this color um just for me to have a color that matches the background. And for the text here, so I just want to do a quick tutorial about the text here. So I used of course so this is a serif typeface or a font. So to say, then what I did basically was let me just go back to the layer. So what I did basically here, so okay, Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving. Okay. So sorry about this. So let me just change this one to okay. So Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving. Then I used modern modern right? Okay. So this is not the font here. So let me just check for the font here. on the phone. So the font here is Magic Retro. So I use a Magic Retro font here. So let me just change this one to a Magic Retro font here. So that's the font I actually used. So Magic Retro. So this is the font here. So let me just reduce the okay, this is to 16. I guess 18 is okay. Yeah, I think 18 is good. Okay. 18, fine. Yeah, I think this is good. So what I did is what I did was basically um adding perspective to this. So okay, for also the service. So for the service also, let me just duplicate this. Um, Service. So I use a different font for the service here. I think I use it's okay, it's on regular. Yes. So this is the exact font I use for the service. So then how did I achieve this stroke passing through the distance given here? So basically just make sure you place your font very well. You can convert this one to a smart object, and you can also convert this to a smart object. I want this video to be short, so because I'm not really designing from from scratch. So then you hold down your control key, then you press this just to select the the object now. Then go to modify and we expand. So let us expand to 5. 5 is okay. So 5 is okay. So you could see it's creating more like an outline outside the um, the text now. Then just hold down your Alt key. Then after holding down your Alt key, so let me just hold down your Alt key and you max it. Right? Can you see? You already max this. So wherever you take this to, so you already maxed this now. So I'm just giving you a quick tutorial on how I created this video. So it's not really perfect yet, but this is what I did. Hope you, I hope you get that. So let me just delete it since we don't need it. So for the text, okay, also for this, let us we can convert this onto a smart object also. Then you just change the perspective from here. So it matches um, the drums perspective also. So everything is in. Um, then just go to your transform. You see something like perspective also. Then just draw this. Can you see? It's already matching drums perspective. Let me click on this. The text. Okay, I think I'm good to go. So can you see? So you're already matching the perspective of this. Then you go to um, your blending mode here, your layer style rather. So then just hold down your Alt key and the underlying layer, just click on it and you drag it to the left. Can you see? Just drag it to the left. Just to have that feel also, right? Then I think we already achieved what we wanted to achieve here, right? So I think we can continue. Use an extra. Okay, this is it. Yeah. So also same thing goes to the So for the stick, like I said, I remove the background here. Sorry, I remove the stick here, right? With my pencil. I also show you how to how to make use of a pencil then, so that this one can stand, this one can be independent, right? Then so that I can place the text on it. So that I can place the text on it, right? And can you see? So I can move the stick basically. Then also for the time is 9 a.m. starting 9 a.m. I just put it here, right? Also for the date Sunday, May 4th, and also the address, right? So although because of the um of the size of the canvas now, I just have to place the text, the date and time at the left. Although you can rearrange your layout basically, and choose what works best for you. I can decide to rearrange my layout here, but this is just what I'm trying to like show you, right? Then also you can put your logo, so this is another element, this is another tambourine, right? Just to have that I mean praise and worship feel of the thing. And also for um if you notice there's something here more like a flying golden ribbon, right? So I can name this ribbon, right? So like a flying ribbon here. Then you made your layer, just hold down your control plus shift plus your control plus alt plus shift plus E, right? Or control shift alt plus E, anyone. So just you can just merge the layer all together. So this is what I made. So after merging the layer, then to my camera raw filter, then you can add some things to make it pop. This is camera raw filter. You convert it to a smart object and move on to your camera raw filter here. So that is just how I designed this Thanksgiving service, right? And I hope you learn one or two. I hope you enjoy the process. If you have any question, you can reach out. You can drop your question in the comment section, and I'll definitely reply. And um, until the next time, um, stay. Until the next time, bye.